Now designing our login page. Our login page will be very cool and simple. We won't have any kind of side area and the main area as well. We just have the one area with the two tabs, username and password, and one button to be logged in. So this file of admins.php, I'm going to save this file as login.php. Now browsing this file. So now removing all of this content, also the sidebar and these content as well. So in here, all the content of this main area, I'm gonna remove this one. First the extraction and saving this one. If I refresh the page now, you can see we got just these field. So I'm gonna remove this area of side one. So moving up, removing all the items of our side area, removing the whole side area including its div of call sm2. Now saving this one. If I refresh the page, you can see we got just this white area, nothing here. So I said before that we are just going to have only main area. So you can see that we got the color to be body to this one. So let's change this color only to this file. So if you want to apply on the file of login.php, just add the style section and select your body tag and give its background color to be the white one. Saving this one, refreshing the page now. So it will override the colors which you saved in your admin styles or public styles file. So now we got just this one. Now as you can see that this one appearing right here, and it's still the responsive one because we are using the bootstrap. So I'm gonna make it right in the center. So here you can see we got call sm10 to the main area right here, right before these field. So I'm gonna make the call sm10 columns to be call sm4 columns so that we could only occupy 4 columns. So you can see now we are just getting the 4 columns. The 4 columns are here, then the 4 columns are here. Total 12 columns of bootstrap. Now let's make it in the center by just adding the margin from the right side. So we can use the bootstrap built-in class of offset. So right before this call sm4, I'm gonna add bootstrap class of call dash sm dash offset to be 4. So I'm just giving it 4 column margin from the right side. If I refresh this page, now you can see this one is right in the middle. Now deleting this confirm password field from here because we only need 2 fields. So I'm gonna delete this whole field from here. And also let's make this color to be, instead of success, let's make it to info, sky blue one. If I refresh this page, you can see we got add new admin. So let's make it to login. Now saving this one, refreshing the page, you can see we still got the footer area. So let's also remove the footer area as well. So moving down, we got this div of id footer and this line. So I'm gonna remove this one as well. Saving this one. If I refresh the page, you can see we got only 2 field of username, password. Let's also change this manage admin access to be welcome back. So here you can see we got the heading. So I'm gonna make it to Welcome back. Let's also change this h1 to be h2. So let's also add couple of BR tag right before it so that we could make it little bit downward. And also let's put this session message right here. So now adding the BR tag to make it downward. If I refresh the page, let's add 2 more BR tag. It's look great to me. Now if you can minimize, this one is also responsive. Now looks good. Now I'm gonna remove all of these items from here so that we could only have the main header to this login page. So moving upward, here you can see we got the items. So removing these items from here, all of them, and also the form from here as well. Saving this one. If I refresh the page, it's look good to me. Now in the next lecture we are going to add the ads on to these fields so that these fields looks quite great, and by this way you will also be able to learn how you can use the ads on in Bootstrap to make your forms much more flexible and attractive.